The Fayette Care Clinic is just one of the countless examples that demonstrate collective impact in action.
If I could say right off the bat, when I came to the clinic, I was mainly looking for just a helping hand because me and so many others were laid off.
One thing that's really important with this, I think, is that United Way, I like that they have this goal or focus. They don't just come in and try to do it themselves. There's already a lot of resources in this community that are making strides, and I think United Way's stance of coming in to kind of partner with those organizations and help them partner with each other, and that's really important because I think there's a lot of the pieces in this community already, but I think United Way can really play a vital role in helping connect all those pieces.
United Way was actually the first grant that I received when I first got to Fayette Care Clinic, and it was for $25,000. And it had a whole poster board, and I must have kept that poster board for 4 years. But it's amazing to me, they've been there this entire time that we've been in business. So what they do for us is to continue to help us increase our hours, which increases patient visits, increase all the new programs that we do. We do a lot of educational programs here, and they're also the ones that have taught us and pushed us to start tracking data, such as how many people are going to the ER for non-emergent visits. And now once that happens, we turn around and take that patient and find out what's happening with them.
The clinic is really a lifesaver to people that have been down and out, lost their jobs like so many have, and it's just all around just been a lifesaver for me.
When United Way partners with others, we are able to tackle big issues with real solutions. The improvements we make are long-term and meaningful. Because of your support of our initiatives, thousands are receiving the health care they need. With so many families struggling every day as a result of the poor economy and other resulting challenges such as unemployment, we knew that innovative solutions were needed. The Goodwill Workforce Development Program stepped forward to help prepare people and get them to work.
When you fall down, you got to be able to get back up. And what I mean by that, the GoodTransitions was a blessing to me. I have 6 children, 5 boys, 1 girl, and they need everything that I take in. So the program that Goodwill brought to me is basically another outlet to job searches and people that know people, connections, because in this world you do need connections to basically gain employment. It's good to have that network with Goodwill because they know and have connections that I don't have.
As we look at this program, our folks that we serve in the state of Georgia are non-custodial parents. That means that they're separated from their families. They're separated from their children, more importantly. And this program has allowed them to get a second chance, get back on their feet, to have jobs that they can pay their child support, as well as help themselves start careers.
These are folks primarily coming through the fatherhood program who have a child support order in place. And one of the goals of the grant is that 50% will begin to pay their child support and continue to pay it. And so far, 98% of the folks are paying. So we're seeing tremendous success in making families stronger.
I think the big supporter has been the United Way of Atlanta.
That's right. United Way of Greater Atlanta is really who brought us together in the first place. They were the convener of all of the partners on the grant. We also work with the Center for Working Families and with employers who are some of our greatest partners.
New models of employment and career development must be considered as we provide income opportunities for those most in need. It is imperative that each of us continue to seek and create innovative solutions for tomorrow. United Way's goal is to improve the lives of individuals and families. We do this by bringing together committed individuals to help address our community's most pressing problems. In the case of the New Look Foundation, young people are mentored by individuals who understand the importance of keeping our youth in school and developing their leadership skills.
For me personally, I've learned that your talent or what you're good at, you can use in effective ways besides just entertainment of other people. And I guess that hence the name Usher's New Look Foundation, because he has a talent of singing, dancing, and he used it to start this foundation to help the youth He used his name, his brand, by spreading something across the world, almost internationally, to help kids of our generation and probably further in the future.
The best part of the program is the family and leadership sense that you get from it. Not only are you learning key values, the key values that you use in life no matter where you go, it's a platform to build yourself upon. They put you in front of important people and it's up to you on what you plan to do with it.
With the New Look Foundation, we create positive change in the lives of young people. This program is one of many supporting education, one of our 4 focus areas, and ensuring that all our youth graduate from high school. We realize more and more often that we have to see challenges differently, and that's what United Way does. The GRIP program seeks to ensure that those re-entering society from jail or prison have the tools they need to succeed and avoid additional encounters with the justice system. We met with Gwinnett Sheriff's Office and Commissioner's Office to resolve the issue head-on.
I think the fascinating thing about GRIP is it really is a collaborative effort where we have the Sheriff's Department who is working with us as a partner along with the county, and then we have a nonprofit, United Way, that we've all been able to come together and then have people like me from the public sector working kind of for the greater good.
Our specific role with the GRIP program relates to the housing and the case management of the clients as they are coming through the early release program, and the process of getting them connected and giving them a stable environment to move them towards the independence that we want to work together to seek.
Well, as you know, with individuals exiting out of the jail system and trying to re-enter into the community, it can be a battle. So our goal is to reduce challenges by improving how we do things or how things have been done in the past.
Well, GRIP's helped me find a way to get transportation around, have a place to stay while I'm doing it, and just basically give me all the resources I need to do the right thing.
GRIP is a model of collaboration. It specifically works with partners to leverage one another's strengths, to look at filling the gap of services that are not necessarily readily available. And it really does use the community as a support for helping these individuals.
GRIP attempts to tackle that issue individual by individual, looking at the needs of each individual and trying to tailor a program of support for each individual that will allow them the chance for success.
If giving them a bus ticket back to Alabama is going to keep them from coming back to us, that's fantastic. We want to help people become productive members of society. However, we need to do that, and we're pretty good at it.